Gosh, Johnny, I bought new trim and the colors doesn't match. Can you come over here, take a look, and restain it? We'll be right there. All right, we are inside. Chadwick is in here taping away, so you can kind of see he's taped the walls, taped the windows. So in the second floor of the house, every room had windows replaced, and then they had new oak trim put on there. So our goal is to match this trim with that trim, and we did that by using Old Masters gel stain. Actually, we tried a couple different ones. I like the gel stain better. I think you get a better coat, and you can go on it, put it on heavier if he needs to, but it was a better match with color wise. So Chad is masking all this stuff off because he's going to stain the wood, and then when the wood's stained, he'll clear coat it with their acend urethane that's meant for the gel stain. It goes on really good. It dries really fast, which we love. If downstairs, we'll still mask the windows, but we're painting all the walls downstairs, so we won't be masking this part. So it'll be kind of nice because all you have to do is wipe it on polyurethane, and then we'll be going after the wall color downstairs. So we used golden oak from Modern Masters, and again, the Ascend is what we used to match the color. And then, like I said, Chad is masking away, so he's masking everything today. Probably be done with masking. I think he's got almost over 50% of it done. Having fun with tape. Yeah, tape in bathrooms is a good one. It's kind of an issue sometimes with the hairspray and just the overage, the condensation. It kind of adds on and makes it less sticky. But anyway, that's a whole different video. So you got questions on how we can restain your wood? Let us know. Love to see how we can help you with restaining wood, cabinets, maybe some furniture. Who knows? Let us know. You guys have a great day and God bless.